Hello, I'm Kalen and this is my custom data organizer application. Today I'm going to show you a new feature that I've just added which allows you to share your custom dashboards and setups and data and basically whatever you want with any other users of the application. So to demonstrate this, I am going to go up into the Load Save menu. Now this is currently a blank application. I have not had anything installed yet, which we can see here. There's nothing listed there. And so to start with, I'm going to go in and I'm going to download a very simple preset, which is the Dave Owes Me Money preset. We're going to download it. And this has some sample data, so we're going to load everything, including the sample data. And we can see that new dashboard here. And we can see the report. We have sample data in there as well as in a chart. We're going to make some simple modifications here. Now we're going to come into the Load Save menu again. We are going to create a save for this, calling it Testing Sharing Feature. And we're going to allow people to use this as a quick save, which basically when you check this, this means that you are allowing yourself and others to use this as an ongoing save that continues to get updated as you make changes to both your dashboards and the data itself. Now, if you do not check this, then it will essentially be a one-time instance snapshot of whatever it is that you're saving. So, but we're adding the quick save feature. The description doesn't really matter. That's just for your reference. We are not going to save the home page because that's just empty right now, so it doesn't matter. And so we are going to save this. We are going to save this to the cloud. And now we can see this in our list of backups that we have available on this account. And you can see that this one is marked with a little Q, meaning that it's allowing for quick saves. So now I'm going to click on this and I'm going to go into sharing. I'm going to share this with my friend. I'm going to type in their email. And in this case, I am going to give them write permission. If I do not give them write permission, then that means they will not have any ability to update the data or make modifications, but they will be able to see modifications and updates that you make. So I'm going to go ahead and share that. And this is confirmation about the permission. We're going to share it. And we see this shows up in our list and its status is currently pending. Now I can also modify this at any point. I can revoke the whole share if I share it with somebody that I didn't intend to. And I can also revoke the write feature. I can take away their ability to write to the save. So now I'm going to go over to my incognito window. Now I'm in an incognito window simply so that Chrome does not get confused and doesn't think that I'm logged in the same place. I'm currently logged in as that target user, and so I come into my Load Save and I come over here to Other, and I can see that now this save made by the first user is now available to me and pending. So I can click on this and I can choose to either accept or decline it. And so I'm going to choose to accept this. If I accept it, it shows up in my list here as a permanent save option. And so now it's still not enabled as a quick save though. It's still simply a instance. And so I'm going to first, let's see, if I attempt to enable the quick save right now, it's going to tell me that I have not downloaded the instance. So first I need to download all of the current data from this save instance. So we're going to go ahead, download all of that, and we're going to load everything. And now settings have been successfully updated. And now we see that this option has changed to disable quick save. So this is now set as a quick save. So if we come over here, we can see that this is now in our quick save menu. We can now see that the data has been loaded. Everything is as we saved it from the first account. Now let's add something new. Let's say $40 borrowed 40. We're going to enter that. Now that shows up here in our local data, but we do not yet see it over here until we come into our target user and they hit the quick save. Now this is successfully saved to the cloud, their update. So now we can come over here, and if I remember correctly, I forgot to set this as a quick save on this end. So we first need to enable this as a quick save. And that was updated. And now we see our updated data from our target user. Now we have more options. We can come into the settings menu and we see we have this auto update and auto save. Now if we turn auto update off, that will mean we will no longer get any updates from anyone else for this data and dashboard set. And if we turn auto save on, that means that all of our data will be automatically saved every time we make updates, which means we will no longer need to come and hit this button. Everything will be automatically synchronized. So if you create one of these setups and then save it to your friends and then have everybody hit auto save and auto update, then everyone that you've shared this with will have instantaneous updates to their entire customized dashboard. So let's do another one over here. Borrowed more money. And that option is obnoxious. So I'm going to turn off confirm all toasts so we don't have to hit that button all the time. And as you see, we've entered that new entry there. Is it going to show up over here? Looks like that just refreshed, and yes, showed up in our second user. So there you have it. There's a basic introduction to the sharing feature. It's probably the most powerful feature that I have added to this so far. Let's see what you can do with it. And thank you for watching. Good night.